Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sir Ryan. Today, I'll make a great. I'm from. I'm James Lester Bigole from DCPET 31. Today, guys, I will be creating a reflection video answering the following question. Number 1, what is the case all about? Number 2, what are the facts of the case? 3, what are the issues of the case? 4, what is the ruling of the Supreme Court? 5, what are your takeaways from this case? Number 1, what is the case all about? The case involves a legal dispute regarding the application of laws related to child abuse, cybercrime, and privacy, particularly in the context of line offenses. The Supreme Court's decision reflects its stance on the protection of victims under specific laws, such as the Anti-Child Pornography Act, the Data Privacy Act, and the Cybercrime Prevention Act, highlighting issues of online exploitation, privacy violation, and importance of safeguarding individual rights. 2. What are the facts of the case? The case stems from the criminal proceedings related to violations of child abuse and online exploitation. The victim's identity was protected in compliance with various laws safeguarding children and women from abuse. Example po, or Republic Act number 7610 and Republic Act number 9262. The accused were involved in online activities that violated the rights of the victim, making this case particularly relevant to discuss on on the intersection of technology, privacy, and criminal law. 3. What are the issues of the case? Mga unang issue po is the legality of the processing and sharing of sensitive personal information in the context of criminal investigation. Excuse po. Whether the action of the accused violated laws protecting privacy, child rights, and laws against cybercrimes. The extent of responsibility of individuals and entities in preventing online abuse and exploitation, particularly in relation to privacy laws and criminal liability. 4. What is the ruling of the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court upheld the legal protection afforded to individuals under various laws designed to prevent online abuse, including the Data Privacy Act and the Anti-Child Pornography Act. The ruling emphasized the need for strict enforcement of privacy protection and the importance of holding accountable to those who commit cybercrimes, particularly when they involve the exploitation of minors. Several justices wrote separate opinions. Yun nga po, marami pong nag-uusap tungkol kung ano pong ipapataw sa kanya dun. Reflecting differing views of the interpretation of certain legal provision. But the court was unanimous in its commitment to protecting victims. Ang ano po niya is, parusa po niya is tagdan. Yung perpetua reclusion perpetua, and ano po, pinagfa-fine po siya ng 1 million pesos. 5. What are your takeaways from this case? Legal protection of privacy and rights. This case emphasized the importance of laws like the Data Privacy Act, which are designed to protect individuals from exploitation. Especially in digital age, it highlights the need for vigilant enforcement of privacy rights, importance of cybercrime laws. The decision show that online crimes, especially those related to the child abuse, are taken very seriously by the Philippines court po. It underscores the necessity for stronger law and mechanism to combat cybercrime and protecting vulnerable groups. Balancing rights and law enforcement. The case demonstrate the balance that must be maintained between ensuring that data is protected and ensuring that law enforcement agency can access necessary information to the investigation and prosecute crimes. Personal responsibility and technology. As technology continues to evolve, there is an increased need for individuals, organizations, and the government to be proactive in preventing online exploitation, promoting ethical behavior, and safeguarding personal information. Yun lang po. Thank you po.